This is the Truck Turbocharger Cutaway Educational Trainer. It is made from a real OEM turbocharger, precisely cut to reveal the internal components. Inside, you can see the turbine wheel on the exhaust side, the compressor wheel on the intake side, and the common shaft connecting them. The trainer demonstrates how exhaust gases from the engine enter the turbine housing, driving the turbine wheel. This rotation is transferred through the shaft to the compressor wheel, which draws in ambient air, compresses it, and delivers it to the engine's intake system. Cutaway sections expose the bearings, oil passages, and flow channels, allowing students to study lubrication and cooling in turbocharger operation. This hands-on model helps explain turbo lag, boost pressure generation, and the relationship between exhaust energy and air supply to the cylinders. Ideal for technical and vocational training, it provides a clear visual and practical understanding of how turbochargers increase engine efficiency and power.